Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Vosteed sent me a package, and truthfully there were two knives in it, but I'm going to do them one at a time because it kind of depends on what it is, right? And then I get to talking too long. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And thanks to Vosteed for sending this in. I have no idea what it is. I have just, gotten it out of the initial box. I will link it right down below if I can. I'm sure that it's something that's available. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. My nose is very stuffed up. Allergy season is, well, I don't want to say brutal. Allergy season is mildly annoying for me, and it causes my voice to drop a little bit and for my face to be kind of stuffy. So sorry about that if I sound slightly different today. All right. I do appreciate the boxes. Not that I carry the box around, but I do appreciate that Vosteed, delivers this stuff in a nice box. Open. Compliments the box and then can't get it out. All right. What do we got here? Oh, something all black. And is this their... I feel like this is the Raccoon. Is that what this is? What is this? I feel like that's correct. Does it say? Of course. But I feel like maybe... No. Wait. Yeah, it says right there. 14C28N, but it's utilizing their axis lock. Yes. All right. So, last time I reviewed the Raccoon, my issue was disengagement, right? Now, I don't like the spine whack test, right? Because no matter what, even with light taparuskis, you're doing something, you're putting pressure on a part of the blade that is not natural. I don't care what your grandpa used his knife for. He used it wrong. He should have been using different tools. How dare you speak about my grandpappy that way? That man was a saint. Your grandpa didn't know how to use a knife. So, I'm sorry. I'm just opening up an insane can of worms. This is not I don't like the test because of the implications of it. However, I would like to see if it can handle a little bit of spine pressure. I'm going to rate these little taparuskis here. I'm giving it about a 1.5 out of 10, huh? Let's go to 3.7. Okay, let's go to 5.2. It's enough to be putting dings in this, right? Let's go to 7. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. I'm already putting, right? Put it in a vise and bang on it with a sledgehammer. Shut up. You shut up, guy. All right? We're not going to do that today. But hey, we're still good, though. I thought it was going to be sticky, so I pulled down super hard because I thought it would lock up crazy. But no. How about blade play? No, Vosteed. Okay. That's all. That's pleasant. That puts a smile on my face because this is a great design, right? And Vosteed's delivering good quality for, I don't even have to look up the price of this and I know it's going to be good. Yes. Yes. Okay. Well, I like a good budget knife. Metal Complex has become a snob and he only collects multi-$1,000 knives, so he doesn't appreciate the budget stuff anymore. I got a voice for you too there. Apparently weird little goblin person. No, I do appreciate a good budget knife. In fact, I still have an odd fascination with budget knives that are really excellent, right? So yeah, this one was sent by Vosteed. So it's as Nick Shabazz always says, we have to assume that this is the best quality controlled version. And it's not that I'm trying to copy yet another trait of Nick Shabazz, the perforations in the background. It's that he's right. You have to assume that, right? You have to assume that these companies are going to send us the very best versions of what they have to offer. Now, if you watch my content, you'll find that to not be the case sometimes. Sometimes they send me goofballs and, poo-poo town examples. But this, no. This is good. This really makes me happy. Centering. Oh, we're on there. We're on. Ambi lock. Look at this. Ambi lock, ambi clip position. 14C, 28N. Good choke up spot. Good blade geometry. Good general ergonomics. Good pocket clip. Raise it up just a bit, Vosteed. That's okay. Still, I'd still call this deep, honestly. That's a deep carry in my book. Look at that clip. Recessed screws. Recessed clip. I have to look at the filler tab. I have to look at the filler tab on the button. Why? Why do you force it? Why are you forcing that complaint? He's full of voices today. This dude's got a problem. No, this is great. Wow, this is excellent. You know, the last Raccoon, I'm just going to slice a piece of paper with it real quick. The last Raccoon, the reason I did the test is I'm pretty sure it's a button lock. And this is why. If you're wondering, like, why did you unbox both of them? This is why. Because I was like, it's going to be something, maybe it's something that I'm really going to like, and then I'm going to have to talk about it for a long time, right? So that's why. Sometimes we do a whole unboxing dedicated to one knife. Oh, God. That's just beautiful, right? Look at the factory edge getting the curly cues there. That's great. Now, obviously, you can change the edge. Your mileage is going to vary depending on what you're cutting, right? The paper cut test doesn't prove anything, blah, 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 blah. I understand that. I'm just testing the factory edge. I want to make sure that we're good to go. Oh, it's sticky, too. Real sticky factory edge there. Give you guys a look, right? Whatever it is that you're looking for. I think I could shave a grape with this. I honestly think I could. Yeah. This is really great. This is a nice knife. Now, you know, obviously we have a lot of design elements that are common amongst, you know, other popular modern folders, right? This is certainly not a unique blade profile, handle profile, etc., but whatever knife you're comparing it to likely wasn't the first one to accommodate or not accommodate to bring these elements to the table, right? A lot of times the stuff that works is a copy of a copy of a copy, right? From, you know, decades before you were even interested, or any of us were even interested in knives, right? So before we jump on that train, I think maybe we should just appreciate this. Look at this too. Look at this, huh? Nested, milled steel liners. Look at that. They thought of everything. This is what you want in a good budget knife. And, you know, for those of you wondering, the tension on the bar lock, I would call that fairly high tension. Not the highest, not the tightest tension I've ever felt, but fairly high. Good, right? This is the type of tension that we want. It means that bar's really, you know, it's up there. It doesn't feel loosey-goosey, floppy. What's a word that rhymes with floppy? I don't know. No, good, right? Let's take some measurements. It's the same Raccoon. It's just got a bar lock on it. 7.6, blade length 3.35, cutting edge 3 inches. Great. How about we weigh it? Huh? Should we? I think we will. Who's he talking to? Good question. 3.07 ounces, great ratios too. Same as the last one. This, first impressions on this is not a review, guys. Just first impressions here. Very good. I think Vosteed delivered. And if you guys remember that unboxing, or actually not the unboxing, it was a review, they were in the comments taking not just what I said, but, you know, they were communicating with people, right? There were people saying it would be cool if this or that, and they were down there. Not fighting, not in a mosh pit. No, they were being the way that they should be. Hey, we hear you. We hear you, right? We're going to try harder next time. Oh boy, what a delivery. Yeah. You can wait for my review. I'm feeling like this one's good to go. I'm going to try to time this video for when these are available. If they're not, be watching out for them. You'll get the full comprehensive review of this knife within a couple of weeks. Thanks so much to Vosteed for sending this in. That's going to be it for today's unboxing. Very good stuff. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.